This is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall updates for the Google Play Store on your Samsung tablet. Just go to the top right here and go to Settings, select it, and go on down under here until we get to Apps. Then go down to the Google Play Store. So let's locate it, Google Play Store, tap this. Now when you get under here, you'll have the option in the top right. The three little dots, go to Uninstall Updates. And then you can uninstall the updates for the Google Play Store. And this will pretty much reset it back to the factory version for all users. So if you're having some sort of issue with it, just do this. And then go back to the Google Play Store. And it should launch now and work. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.